Well, hello my friends and welcome to my channel LB Plans. You guys have to kind of excuse the extra stuff on my desk because today I got my 2024 Wonderland planner and I wanted to do like a first impressions of it, opening it up and just seeing. So I did get the wild berry color, and this is a unstacked with the 370 whatever pages. So I'm super excited, and I see that they are really embracing this jewel tone coloring with their packaging, also having this very cute jewel tone packaging. And okay, so let me tell you, the first thing that I can see through the packaging, that there is some type of dolphin or orca or whale sticker here. And I know this is something you guys may not know about me that I haven't really shared on my whole online life, but I am truly in love with dolphins. Like, that is my sea creature of choice. I have swam with the dolphins because I live here in Florida. That is an option in certain parts of the state, and I've done it. And I don't get in water with things, so, and I can't swim. That's another conversation for another day. So to see that as one of my stickers, like, now I did have a little whoopsie. Oh, there's our thank you. Okay, they're staying on brand. I did have a little whoopsie with my order, with the pre-order, because the cover was showing sold out by the time that I got on, and I didn't understand how can a pre-order be sold out. But apparently they fixed it after the fact, after I had put my order in, so I am gonna have to go back and order a cover. But I am excited to see what everybody else has gotten. So if you've gotten your Wonderland, please share. Let me know. Link your video below in the comment section, because when I do my next order, I want to see what I have options for, right? Much later. Did I just throw my stickers? Girl, I just threw my stickers. Hold on. I was kind of bummed at the color options because I'm a purple girl. I don't know if y'all realized that yet. But this is my current planner. And I was in love with that color. So when they came out with these different colors, I was like, oh, I don't know what color I wanted to get because I am like truly a purple fan. So okay, both of these are cute. Normally I stick the Wonderland sticker in the front, so nothing's gonna change there. And the fact that this is a dolphin, oh, it's even prettier. Matter of fact, I was just in the dollar store and they had some wallpaper similar to this little cover wallpaper that was kind of blue and gold. And I'm like, that might look really, really nice. So let's get her open. Very gently. She thick too. Like, I don't remember how thick my Hobonichi cousin was, but she thick. She thick. Ooh, baby, she is thick. Guys, I am in love. I am loving the wild berry color. I didn't think I was going to be a fan of it because it's not quite purple, but it's giving me enough. Yes. So, okay. Okay, so do they normally... So I just realized something now. I took the index page out. Maybe they always gave you 3. Maybe they always give you 3 and I just didn't realize it. Because I pulled this one out and I put it in the back because that's where it made sense to me. And I probably won't move this one. Like, we finna get the party started. And that almost matches the color. Oh, look at there. That almost matches the color. We about to get the party started and figuring out how I'm gonna set this planner up, because this will be the only planner that I'll be using for the majority of 2024. Like I might have notebooks or something, but I will not be using a different planner. And the notebooks are typically just for that, for notes. So it's gonna be one book 2024. Oh, I appreciate that these are a little bigger. So we have 2023, 24, 25, 26. Still got to find a good use for that. I love the quarter pages. I do. I do. I do. My trackers. Okay, so this lets me know that they are doing a December in here. I didn't look beforehand to find out, like online or anything, but yes, I do see December. So we do have the month of December. I have a true sidebar now. I'm thinking I'm going to repurpose all of these pages. So from the December overview, possibly the notes section, so I can see these two being repurposed. I already know I'm going to repurpose the key and the index pages. Okay, so we'll repurpose all of these pages. So I got to figure out what worked in my last planner between the two of them, what didn't work. Yep, we're going to repurpose those. Ooh, I love it because Sunday ends on the 31st, which means we have a clean Monday, January 1st start. I love those. And so we'll come in and then we'll start January. Nice. Oh my God, like, hold on. Did y'all notice, does the paper look a little different in the color of the paper in general? No? Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Now I have a purpose for weekend stickers because I never have a purpose for them with the stacked weeks. So that will be exciting. I won't adjust my handwriting to write smaller or just write, you know, more vertically and take up more vertical space than horizontal. The sidebar is going to be a game changer for me. I love the font. There's something different about the font. It's a slight difference. I don't know if it's definitely smaller and it looks a little bit more cleaner on the dates of the week. So yeah, like the font was going the width of this column here, but now it's the width of that column. So it is more compact, but it looks cleaner. It looks cleaner. Still, the gray doesn't bother me. Yo, I'm super excited. Okay. So let's get past all this, right? Let's get, I gotta get tabs. I gotta figure out what shop tabs I like the best because I do think Aura Estelle tabs are really cool and I love that they're perforated so they fold easy. Okay, then these are the daily pages from page 201 to 575, 76. But that page is glued, so we're not going to count that page. So 74. Oh my Lord. Still, I don't think we need the month of December. Like, I think they can X that out. The December 2023, the previous year, I don't think that's needed, but I'm just going to repurpose the pages. I don't know, because I think, like, too, I have so many pages to work with here. Maybe I don't need to repurpose them. Maybe I just need to create my pages back here. I don't know. It's going to be a long weekend, a long 3-day weekend, but baby, we're going to figure it out because she is gorgeous and I cannot wait. You guys stay tuned. I will share more as I go through my thinking process of how I set up my Wonderland. And I'm I'm in love with the color. So if you have any questions for me, please drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll return with the best answer that I can come up with based on my knowledge. You guys, until the next video, you take care. Bye.